what we not gonna do is we not gonna pretend that y'all know about Cudi. We not gonna pretend like y'all know about Cudi. Y'all wasn't there, bro. Y'all wasn't outside, Man on the Moon 2. Y'all don't know what that's like. So don't come to my video acting like you know about Cudi, because you don't know about Cudi. Now with that out the way, what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. We have a pair of the Vadawam. I think that's how you pronounce it. I know I'm just talking all that shit about you don't know about Cudi and I know how to pronounce it shit, but I got a pair right here. I know it's weird seeing me review a pair of stripes, knowing damn well it's checks over stripes. That's what we like. But in all honesty, these shoes are fire, and I think they're really slept on. This isn't my size, this isn't my shoes. I just thought they were so fire that I had to use this person's pair to review them. And without further ado, also, I just want to say this video is sponsored by me. I got an album that I just dropped. It's called 129. Here it is. All the background music for this video is from that album. So if you like what you hear, you should probably listen to the album too. First off, you might notice that the box is basic as fuck, bro. Yo, this box had no love put into it. Like, they just gave him the regular Adidas box from all these years. Like, is this an exclusive shoe or not? Is this, like, bro, Kid Cut, he just dropped a whole album. They could have used the album artwork for the box. They could have did anything. But they gave this, like, this is not okay. I'm sick of sneaker companies half-assing shit, bro. If you want to make a shoe, make it right. Give the box some love, bro. At least include like a dust bag or like a card or a stick, something. Regular Adidas wrapping paper. Y'all didn't even care. Y'all didn't even care. Whatever. But the shoes, though. The shoes, bro. I'ma come clean. These joints right here are, I think I'm gonna buy a pair now. I think I'm gonna buy a pair just because, bro, look at this shit, bro. I know, like, for a lot of people, like, the more hyped shoes are like what's cool, and people usually don't wear things that don't have that hype stamp on it. But nah, these shits, Cudi, I don't know if he designed these, but these shits go so hard. Let's just start off with the colorway. The colorway reminds me of like the Blink Yeezy, the Yeezy ones, the Nike Yeezy ones. They remind me of those a lot for obvious reasons. The black with the like different tones of gray, the pink laces, the strap. I love shoes with straps, and I feel like straps were a big thing in like the early 2010s, and you don't really see shoes with straps anymore. Like, I don't know, I guess people want those like easy to slide on, slide off shits. The straps go like both ways. Pause. It goes like here, and then this one goes that way, and then this one goes out of the way. The pink laces make the shoe pop insanely. They come with a pair of black laces too. They have this 326. I believe that's his daughter's birthday. I believe so. Inside of the shoe, you can see like that Man on the Moon 3 logo. It kind of looks like the album cover that he just dropped. Pretty decent album too, by the way. The bottom of the shoe, the little details there. Pretty, yo, it's pretty. It's the little touches that makes shoes like this stand out. I love the design of the sole too. It kind of like in the front, it reminds me of like a Jordan 4 type of thing, but in the back it's just like this crazy design. Fire to me. The upper is just splashes of everything. The straps, the little suede meshy part right here, then the leather around it. The suede kind of continues like throughout this back panel right here. It's got the little flap for the extra lace. It's going to be kind of weird to put that through there, but I think it's just like a design thing. You also have that Man on the Moon logo in the back. This little puffed out little detail. I don't know what to call it, but it's dope. The little rubber around the ankle part, the heel, I should say. Yo, this shoe is fire, bro. I don't know what else to say. Like, I don't know what it is like with the sneaker game now when like shit like this, shit that I feel like love went into it. I mean, the only thing I don't like about the shoe is the tongue right here. It's like just a regular Adidas logo, but everything else, this shoe is crazy. This shoe is crazy. I wish the box was better. I wish it came with more stuff. Here's the other shoe for comparison. I mean, not comparison, but just, you know, here's the other shoe just to show it off. Even the toe box, like, I feel like looking down on these shoes look good. Because you know how sometimes shoes will look good, but then when you're wearing them and looking down on them, they look kind of sus? I think these are good. Honestly, if I had to rate these shoes, I'm gonna give these like a strong 8.5 out of 10. Like, they're not perfect, but they're pretty fire. They're pretty fire. I hope that Cudi does more shoes with Adidas in the future. I know that they had like a white colorway of this that seems to be more like sought after. I don't know. I think this is the better colorway if you want my opinion. I really think I might get these just because like I fuck with Cudi a lot. We have like damn near the same birthday. I think his is the January 30th, mine's is the 29th. So Cudi, if you're watching this, I make music, work with me, bro. We're fucking lit. We be dope. Pause. But we be dope together, bro. Like we make some good shit. But yeah, man, I love these shoes. Holding them in my hand makes me want to get a pair. I feel like, yo, I could OD pull these shits off. And niggas couldn't tell me nothing. I think I'm gonna get these. Okay. But anywho, let me know what you think about these shoes. Are they trash? Are they fire? Would you wear them? Do you own them? Do you like them? Do you not? Just tell me what you think. I know we can all agree that the box could have been better. But other than that, that's my video. Subscribe for more. Content will be dropping all the time. I got some other videos lined up, and you don't want to miss them. And I will have a haircut in the other videos. Don't worry about that. Y'all don't know about Cudi, and y'all know about me. But get familiar, though.